Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In this video, I will show you how to create an account on the Shop app. So yes, let's get started. First, open the Shop app on your phone. On the welcome screen, tap Get Started. Here, you will be asked to sign in with your email address. Enter your email. And once done, tap Continue. Shop will send a verification code to your email. Open your inbox. Find the code and enter it in the app. Once verified, you will be logged in automatically. Let me skip the notifications for now. I'll be skipping this one as well. From here, you can add your shipping address and payment details to complete your profile. And that's it. You have successfully created your Shop app account and can now track orders, shop and manage payments all in one place. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe and let me know in the comments if you have any queries. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.